Comprehensive Roofing Solutions by EagleRidge. EagleRidge, the trusted roofing contractor in Fairfield, Utah, offers comprehensive roofing services for both residential and commercial properties in the 84013 area. Our experienced team specializes in a wide range of roofing solutions, including repairs, installations, and replacements. We work with premium materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roofing systems to ensure every project is completed to the highest standards. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. EagleRidge guarantees reliable, timely service, whether you need emergency roof repairs, storm damage assessments, or full roof replacements. We take pride in our attention to detail and transparent communication with every client. EagleRidge offers residential roofing services such as new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, installation and maintenance of all types of shingles, siding installation and repair, ventilation solutions for attic and roof, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial properties, EagleRidge provides commercial roof installation and replacement, our EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties, ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge is committed to providing high-quality roofing solutions to homeowners and businesses in Fairfield, Utah, and surrounding areas. We use only the best materials and ensure a hassle-free experience with every project. Call us at 801-784-1457 or visit our website eagleridgepros.com. Trust EagleRidge for all your roofing needs, whether you're looking for repairs, a new roof installation, or maintenance.